Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It is your boy here from Celestin Capital, and welcome to episode 6, guys. If you guys look at the time, it is not the time we are used to. Usually we trade New York session, but today we're deciding to trade the London session. No particular reason why, I just want to. It is Friday, and I like to sleep in on Fridays, so I'm just gonna go ahead and trade the London session today, so we can sleep the rest of the day. Currently, I'm looking at GCAD. It looks like buy side liquidity is forming, so we're getting constant touches of this trend line. I'm expecting to continue touching and then mitigate this swing high that was left behind, and then a continuation to the downside. As you can see, this swing high took out liquidity and broke structure to the downside right over here. And so we're expecting a mitigation of that while price is creating a ton of liquidity, generating a ton of liquidity right here in between. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. We're expecting price to continue tapping onto the trend line, and we're going to take a sell at the mitigation of the swing high. GU. Oh yeah, update on the trade that we had on GU. We're still in it. We're still in the trade on GU, right? We're still in the trade. We're expecting this swing high to hold. If it doesn't hold, obviously we're gonna get stopped out, but we do expect it to hold. Price rallied all the way back up, so we were in profit big time. Let me actually show you guys. As you can see, guys, we were in profit. We took the sell from here. We had all this profit, but we are still holding this trade because we see the potential within this trade. All right, so we're expecting price to continue down at this point. All right, so yeah, I did partial. I showed you guys in the last video that I partialed, and I explained to you guys that you don't want something like this to happen, right? You don't want the market to come all the way down and for it to come back up and stop you out. Even though we didn't get stopped out, there's still potential for us to get stopped out. And if we don't get stopped out, either way, we are able to pull something out of the market, right? We don't just want to let the market do what it wants. We want to be able to manage our trades properly, and yeah, and that's what we're doing. In terms of gold, nothing yet. I want to see a break of this low before I consider selling gold. So on gold, I am still bearish, even though we had this huge retracement back up. I'm waiting for a break of this low to catch a mitigation of supply zone left behind or swing high left behind to continue down. And that's all I have for now. I'll give you guys an update as soon as things get popping. So yeah, those are the three pairs I'm looking at, the three trades I'm looking at. Again, we're still in this GU sell. We're gonna look for more entries within this to take price to the downside. So we're gonna scale in and see if we can catch another entry into this trade. This probably would have been a nice entry for us because of the swing high, but I just didn't want to take it for the purpose of it not being London session yet. So yeah, we don't mind missing a trade. We just want to make sure we're taking the right trades, taking proper trades, and we're trading within our trading plan. So yeah, that's all I've got for you guys so far. Again, I will update you guys as soon as something happens. I'm back, guys. It looks like we've got some sort of a liquidity grab on GU. So we have liquidity grab up here, and here's what we're looking for to enter this trade. If this candle closes below, which it most likely is, if this next candle that opens closes, doesn't break this high, it does something like this. The next few candles continue to go down. We're going to look for a mitigation of the supply zone to continue down. So again, we're looking for this high up here to hold. I'm going to put a line right here denoting this high. We're going to look for this high right here to hold. As long as this high does not get broken, so as long as the next few candles don't go above this high, we're good to go. We're just looking for the candles to break down and then come back, and we're going to take a sell off of this swing high to continue to the downside. So that's what we're going to look for on GU. That's what we're looking for. Gold completely shot up, but it's still within our supply zone. What we want to see in order to catch a sell on gold is a break of structure of this low. We don't get a break of structure of this low, we are not going to take this trade. As simple as that. GCAD still playing around a little bit, waiting for it to come up to this sell zone. And yeah, so far that's what we're looking at. Again, we want this high to be held. We don't want it to be broken. We don't want any candles to go above it. What we want to see is candles break below this low, and we're going to take a sell off of the mitigation to continue to the downside. We'll be back in a sec whenever something happens. So let me leave this here. Put a line right here. Just show you guys exactly what I'm looking for. So we're going to take a sell. The candle has to break below this low again. All right, the candle has to break below. We have to see a 5-minute close below this line right here in order to take this sell. So let me put this right here and then put our thing right over here. And our stop loss above this high to take it to the downside. We're going to take out this low right here. We're not going to target all the way down here. We're just going to target this low. We may close our other position at this low as well, because again of the news that is getting ready to hit at 8:30. We don't want to hold our trade up until that point. All right, so I'll be back whenever something interesting happens. All right, guys, the high did not hold, as you can see. Let me bring it over here. So this is a no trade for me. All right, and by the way, we got stopped out at break even on that trade that we were in, so we are currently down 0.2%. Yeah, no worries, no big deal. I feel like they're gonna use the news as a catalyst to draw price down, but no worries. We're not worried about it. We are just going to trade what we see. All right, that's the only trade I see so far. Still waiting on GCAD to do its thing. Also, what else we got? Still waiting on gold as well. Yeah. So be back, give you guys an update when I decide to, or when I see something happening, see something forming in the market. I am back. I am back, guys. I noticed something on gold. I know I was waiting for a break of structure of this low, but I see something a lot more clean that I'm willing to take. You can see we've got a shift of microstructure. We had this last high, a break of that last high, and we're coming back to mitigate some supply zones potentially. So I'm looking to get in at the fill of this imbalance that you see right here, while at the same time mitigating this supply zone. So looking to take this right in here, take it to the downside. That's the only trade I see so far. GCAD is currently still consolidating. GU's not looking good at all for sales. So I'm going to leave that alone. May continue buying up, but I'm going to leave it alone for now. Just because structure is a little weird to me. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick update on what I see. I'll let you guys know when I take this or when something else happens. Be back in a sec. Back with an update for you guys. Not much going on in the market. I suspect that the market is holding up until the news at 8:30. So I am going to go to sleep and I will wake up at 8. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a sell limit on gold because I feel like the market's going to market's going to sell off from this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put a sell limit right up here. And yeah, I expect the market to tank from there. I'll give you guys an update in the morning when I wake up. I'm going to wake up around 8 or so just so I don't get caught in the news. Because again, can't trade the news. Don't have a FTMO swing account. I have a regular account. So I'm going to go ahead, put a sell limit on gold, and I will update you guys in the morning. See you guys later. I'm back up, guys. Not much action going on, as I said. I think they're going to use the news as a catalyst to drive price to where they need to drive it. I'm expecting them to drive it back somewhere up here and continue down. GU, same thing. I'm expecting them to drive price somewhere up here. I can't find any clean structure within GU. These candles are um, pretty, pretty weird. Yeah, maybe I can look for a shift in microstructure within here. Take price down. Give me something like this. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I see right now. GCAD. Same with GCAD, still playing around. I'm expecting something like this as well on GCAD, as I told you guys before. So news is in about 15 minutes. Give you guys an update. I'm about to delete the sell limit that I have on gold because I don't want it to be I don't want to be affected by the news and for them to take my account away. So I'm still looking to sell gold. I'm just hoping gold doesn't get up here until after 8:32. I think that's when I'm allowed to start trading it again. So again, I'll be back, give you guys an update in a little bit. Got about 5 minutes until the news releases, guys. It looks like gold is doing what I'm expecting it to do, but I might have to delete the sell limit because of the news. So yeah. Still looking at GCAD. GCAD I can trade because it's USD news, has nothing to do with GCAD. So this is probably the only proper trade for me for the time being. I'm hoping gold doesn't go up to this level during news. It most likely is, but we'll see if we can catch something around 8:32. All right, guys. So we'll be back. We'll be back. We will be back. Give you guys an update. All right, I'm back, guys. As you can see, gold hit exactly where we needed it to, and I'm going to look to get in because it's 8:33, so I'm fine to trade. I'm going to get in. Price gets a little higher. Let's see, about 30 pips. I'm trying to get our stop loss a little tighter. All right, we just entered the market, guys. We are in it. We are good to go. It's perfect for us. So we just entered the market. 8:33, as you guys can see, 8:34 actually, you guys can see. So that's perfectly clear to trade. Yeah, so that's what we are looking at right now. Looking to take this down here. Take profit. It's going to be this low right here. Because I'm expecting, actually, let's target this imbalance right here. Because I'm expecting this imbalance right here to be filled. Let's actually do this because we entered into the market. One sec. Entered about right there. As I told you guys, my take profit is going to be, where is it? This imbalance right down here. We're expecting this imbalance right in between here to be filled. Right over here, this imbalance. So yeah, we're going to target the top of the imbalance, and I'll update you guys whenever something interesting happens. I'm expecting gold to fall from here. This may be the only trade that I take just so I don't risk too much. I may take this GCAD on my live and GU on my live as well. If GU gives me something super clean, I'll probably take it. Or I actually might take GCAD. I'll use a smaller risk, maybe risk. Instead of half a percent risk, I'll probably risk 0.25%. So yeah, I'll probably do that if GCAD gets to where we need it to. So be back. I'll give you guys an update whenever something interesting happens. All right, guys, I'm deciding to take this GU sell once it gets to this line up here, just because I expect it to continue falling as well. As you can see on my analysis, I have a break of structure. And now we're going back up to mitigate a supply zone. It may bounce off this, but I doubt it. I think this is more of liquidity than anything. But if it does bounce off of this, I'm okay with that. No worries. No need to complain. No need to be salty about it. We're just gonna yeah, just gonna go with what we think, and I think that it may come up here and then sell off. In terms of gold, still consolidating. I expected the news to move price a lot quicker or a lot quicker, a lot sooner, but that did not happen. But I'm still expecting major sells with gold, especially the one I told you guys about, the swing sell down to this demand zone over here. I'm gonna hold the swing on my live account. On my FTMO, I am not. Only gonna hold it over down to clear this IPA. So yeah, give you guys an update once I come back. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, give you guys an update in a little bit. GCAD. Um, I'm either gonna take GCAD or GU, one or the other. It's gonna be one or the other, along with gold. So yeah, give you guys an update as soon as I take another entry, if I do. All right, back with an update for you guys. Price is heading in our direction. Price is heading in our direction. Currently up about 1,500. We didn't get to enter on any other trade yet. There's still potential for that to happen. As you can see, GU is heading up. So GU, if GU, let me go back. GU does something like this and breaks this low again, we're no longer interested in entering over here. So we're not going to look to enter into GU. But GCAD, still playing around this trend line liquidity. I'm expecting it to do something like this and then head to the downside. But if it doesn't, no big deal. No worry to us. We'll just have to adapt and see if we can find another entry point. If not, we're not gonna force anything. It's the end of the week. We're not looking to hold any trades anyway. And yeah, we already caught gold so far. About 40% of the way to our TP. Again, we're expecting this imbalance right here to be filled, and I'm expecting a major rejection off of this swing low you can see right here. I'm expecting a major rejection, something like a 100 pip pullback or so to continue selling. So that's what I have so far. Yeah, I'll update you guys on anything that happens. Yeah, and I'm not trying to make this video too long, so I won't keep pausing it and unpausing it. I'll just give you guys an update whenever something major happens. I will be back. Current update on price, guys. We are working towards TP slowly, slowly but surely. Heading towards TP. I decided to use the slow as my TP instead of the imbalance, just because I don't want to have to wait over the weekend or wait this long for it to fill in this imbalance. So I'm just gonna use that. GU, wasn't able to enter GU, nor was I able to enter GCAD. So yeah, the goal is the only trade for today, but I'm definitely gonna be looking for this next week. I'm gonna be looking for other things on GU. So yeah, that's all I've got right now. Um, I'm going to update you guys. We're currently about 2K in profit. That's a total of 1.8% if I were to close the trade right now. You can see down here. But yeah, we're expecting this to take out this low right here. So yeah, we're gonna hold it up until this point. We should make about 3K, just over 3K profit when it hits TP. So yeah, give you guys an update. Next update should be when it hits TP, because I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, give you guys an update in a little bit. All right, guys, we made a push down, but we didn't quite hit TP. I'm expecting price to continue down and liquidate this low. I think they're just enticing buyers into the market. So they're trying to get people to buy into this market and then just liquidate them out of the market for this last push down. It is currently 2:10. The market closes in like 2-3 hours. I'm gonna go for a quick run. Once I get back, we'll see where we are, and I'm probably gonna close this somewhere around 3:30, just to wherever we're at. I'm probably gonna close this around 3:30, just to again, because I don't have a swing account, and just so I don't violate any rules. So yeah, we are currently again this close to TP, expecting price to liquidate this low. What I did do was I moved my stop loss right here, just for the sake of securing some kind of profit, just in case the market wants to shoot up, which I doubt it will do. But just in case, once again, we're want to secure some kind of profits. I'm gonna put my stop loss right over here. So once I get back, I'll give you guys an update on what happens in the market. And this should be the last bit of the video. I will give you guys an update, and I'll be back in a sec. All right, guys, I am back. It is about 4:54, 6 minutes before the market closes for the weekend. Price has not hit our TP. We're just gonna close the trade out at 2.2K profit, and we're gonna call it a day here. It was a good week. We're back at, excuse me, we started off at, oh no, uh-oh, I can't close this trade. I'm gonna try and close this on my MetaTrader, where can't close it, but I'm going to contact FTMO, see if I can get it closed, because it's about 6 minutes until the market closes. 2K profit, and I'm going to try to close this out. So as you guys can see, this is proof. Still 5 minutes remaining. I'm going to go ahead and try to close this out. But 2.2K profit. See you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit the like button. Peace out.